Hello, my friends. Let me adjust my camera real quick. So, I'm back, and I wanted to let you know that I am going to be more active on my channel. I'm gonna need, um, I'm gonna need to know what kind of content you guys would like from me. Make sure you like, subscribe this video because it's gonna get very interesting. So, I thought I'd decide with a cosmic energy oracle deck, and this is going to set the tone of the energies that we're working with today, because it is a collective reading. So whenever it is for all zodiac signs, so whenever you're stumbling upon this video is when your soul is meant to receive it. So I've already shuffled the deck in my cosmic energy deck. Let's see what spirit is calling for us. Wow, harmony. I'm getting Libra energy already in here. Excuse me. So, harmony. Harmony is the beautiful melody in relationships. Yes. Wow. Um, who doesn't want harmony? And I feel like a lot of us are seeking harmony. We seek harmony in relationships. So if you're in a relationship right now and harmony is what you're seeking, and if that's what you want, you're going to seek it. You're going to find it. This is meant for you, because we see a man, a woman, perhaps two men, two women. It doesn't matter about the gender. They're looking for harmony, and that's what we're all doing. So that is a beautiful energy to start off our reading. Now let's pull some tarot cards. Let's see what spirit wants you to know at this time. All right, so all right, what is the energy? What is the advice? Wow, this is a really delicate deck. I am loving this. All right. What is the advice for the collective? What is it that Spirit wants you to know? Wow. Okay. Your challenge is the Ten of Cups reversed. Okay? And what you don't see coming at the bottom of the deck is the Five of Swords. Wow. Okay? So, now, your past, present, and future. Your past, you drew the Six of Cups upright, and that is clarified by the Eight of Pentacles and the Star upright. All cards are upright, which is beautiful. I am already loving this energy. And right now, the Six of Cups. So, the Six of the Six of Cups is clarified by the Eight of Pentacles and the Star. So I already said that. Now, what I'm getting with the Six of Cups is a lot of you are going through nostalgia and all right, happy memories you are thinking of. Now, this is your past. You may have gone through many happy moments to where you can't stop thinking about it, and it brings you joy. And the Eight of Pentacles, wow, I see a hard worker here. This is your present moment, a hard worker who is seeking harmony. Wow, and that ties into our oracle card that we just drew. Look at that. That is your present moment. You are working hard, my friends. You're thinking of happy memories, and you are working hard to build a harmonious future in a job, in a love interest, in friendships, in family dynamics, whatever it is. You are in good energy, and that is clarified by the star upright. Look at that. That is beautiful. You really can expect a good and happy time ahead. You can expect success in whatever you are seeking, because this is a star. You are a star. All your cards that you have drawn, your future is that you are finally going to get the recognition that you have been seeking for. You're a star. People see you as this star. So, let's go on. Your challenge is the Ten of Cups reversed. And at the bottom of the deck, which you don't see coming, is... Here we go. At the bottom of the deck, which you don't see coming, is the Five of Swords. And if you want to see the rest of this reading, you're going to have to subscribe, like this video, like, comment, and share if you want the extended. Thank you.